Megan's trying to get a little loopy thing fixed on these pants I'm trying to sell. Let's see if she can do it.
She's got to keep pulling it through till you get to the hem. Just kind of, I should have gone the other direction. Is this lined? It is, isn't it? No, it is lined, but I can get under the lining. Where did it go?
Right there.
There it is. Oh, we got it.
Challenge accepted. Let's see.
God, I can't see anything. Why do I wear glasses?
I know, you have to take them off to see up close, put
Yeah.
them back on to see far away.
Yep.
Welcome to, what do you call this? Middle age?
Elderliness.
What do we call this? Middle age?
Elderly life. Yeah, so you just pull it from the back side here. Just having to find it is the problem. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna stick my fingernail on, like literally as best I can on the actual string, because the sooner you can find it on the other side, the easier it'll be.
Okay.
I've got it here.
Magic. Let's see.
Now it's gonna be unfurled a little bit on the inside, but you've got a lining here, so they won't ever see that. So I would pull it pretty.
It's gone. Look at this. Unbelievable.
Where's that
Impressive.